Children, so we saw the lesson water, isn't it? So what are the what are the sources of water means river, pond, lake, and then sea, isn't it? Rain. These are the sources of water. Then already we saw the rainwater harvesting. So waste water management. What is meant by wastewater management? So domestic houses, domestic purpose, so industrial, commercial. So the wastewater has been mixed to the water resources. So as well as the water used by the laundry, as well as bathing, dish, dishwashing, toilets, multipurpose. So here the water has been wasted, isn't it? So they has been poured into the sea water resources. So the water has been destroyed, isn't it? So we have to we don't we have to conserve our water, isn't it? Water reservoir. Then what do you have to do? So you don't pollute the water, as well as and pollute the water resources. Okay. Then what do you have to do? We have to treat it in a proper manner, and then we have to um, make use to reuse it again. The wastewater, from the domestic purpose, it can be used as a to grow up plants. Okay. So and it has been the water has to be must cleaned if it is if it before it flows into the water. Okay. So water treatment. What is the water treatment? So chemical as biological, using filtration, sedimentation, adding cow dung powder and bacteria. This method is followed. So the wastewater is treated by physical, chemical, and biological process using filtration. So the water has been used by this process called filtration. Filtration means by using the filter you have to reduce, you can use it. Then sedimentation, adding cow dung, powder, and bacteria. This is the method in industrial. So see the picture. So the water filtered into the river, isn't it? So first they have pipes taken water to the treatment center. First the water has been the screening stage. Then after that primary treatment stage. Then secondary treatment stage. Then final treatment. After that we have to leave the water to the river. So this is the proper way of water management. Okay. So what is the advantage of water management? Advantage. Wastewater treatment ensures that the environmental is clean. So the treatment wastewater treatment ensures that the environment is clean. There is no water pollution. So if you do this means you can, there is no water pollution. So it prevents waterborne diseases also. Waterborne diseases means like cholera, malaria. Okay, it ensures that it is there is adequate water for irrigation. Irrigation means pasanathiruku. Okay, desalination of water. What is meant by desalination? It is an artificial process of converting saline water into fresh water. So saline water means kadal water, kadal neer, adu uppu neer. Okay, so into fresh water. This is known as desalination. First one they are doing distillation, then reverse osmosis. The process in by which evaporation and condensation go side to side is called distillation. So first process is saline water. How the saline water has to be converted to fresh water means the water has to be evaporated and condensation, evaporation as well as condensation. So here we get a distilled water, isn't it? Then reverse osmosis is a process of water forcing water under pressure through a semi permeable membrane. So The tiny pores in the membrane allow water to pass but exclude most salt and minerals. The reverse osmosis process helps to solve the water scarcity problem. Here the river water has to be pre-treatmented. So here they are to be pre-treatmented. Okay, here the suspended solids as well as the particles has been accumulated here. Then after that, membranes separated. So after that, membranes separated, separate dissolved minerals and other impurities. Here the minerals as well as the impurities has been accumulated. Then after that, minerals and other chemicals are added. So here they get chemicals are added. After that, we can use the water to drink. Water pollution. Contaminated of water bodies by human beings, human activity is called water pollution. So, a pond, river, lake, canal, okay, industrial waste, insecticides, fertilizers, sewages, detergent, chemical fertilizers. So, these are the main radioactive waste. These unwanted or a harmful substance pollute the water. Okay, children, I hope you understand this lesson. Try to revise it. After finishing the lesson, I will give the question answer. Thank you, children.